Ditch that tiny piece of plastic and say hello to the future of mobile connectivity, the Esim. Today, we're diving deep into how to activate an Esim with US Mobile, making your life easier and your phone a whole lot smarter. First, you'll need to make sure your phone is Esim compatible. You can find a list of compatible devices on the US Mobile website. Once you've confirmed compatibility, logged into your US Mobile account, you'll find an option to activate a new line or switch an existing line to Esim. Select the Esim option. Next, you'll receive a QR code. Open your phone's settings, go to cellular or mobile data, and select Add Esim or Add Data Plan. Scan the QR code with your phone's camera. Your phone will then download and install the Esim profile. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation process. This usually involves confirming your cellular plan and setting your preferences for data and calls. And that's it. Your Esim is now activated. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to US Mobile's customer support. They're available 24/7 to help you. Welcome to the world of seamless digital connectivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.